Join us in Protective Diet Living, Protective Diet's official support group, to vote for the Recipe of the Year 2020. This is a video review of this year's 55 innovative, oil-free, whole food, plant-based recipes on a protective diet. You can make multiple selections, but the recipe with the most votes wins the Recipe of the Year. Starting with Mojo's. Oh, Mojo's. Mix and Mac, that quickie, awesome Instant Pot recipe.
It's so easy I can do it.
Yes. Plant-based Cheez-It crackers. I know that's a favorite for Jody. Spices and herb cracker mix, a grain-free crackers. Plant-based taquitos. Oh, those are delicious. Escabeche, fermented Mexican pickles. No Need brine bread. That was a hit with the Dutch oven. Fermented bananas. Effervescent, like carbonated bananas. Cornflakes. The remake of the cornflakes that were removed off the shelves. Additive-free cornflakes. Stuffed mushrooms with wasabi dipping sauce. Caraway coffee. Oh, yum. Mint chocolate chip nice cream. Is that your favorite, Jerry?
One of my favorites, for sure.
Quarantine crackers. Oh, those delicious rice seasoned crackers. Oil-free garlic naan. Oh,
One of my
my
favorites.
gosh.
I don't know which is my ultimate favorite. They were so good.
What about masa ball soup? Oh, my gosh. Spices and herb bread dip. Oh, yum, like Carrabba's
Just
Grill.
like at the restaurant.
Scrap soup. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
My last day before my restock, I always have scrap soup. Oil-free aloo gobi. Oh, how delicious. I love Indian food. Julie's beans. Super seasoned and creamy. Strawberry cheesecake nice cream. That's my number one
That's your favorite
flavor.
ice cream?
That's my favorite flavor.
All right.
Oil-free, gluten-free samosas. Oh my gosh. Indian food, oil-free Indian food on a protective diet, to me, is one of the best. Chocolate three-way nice cream. Which one's your favorite out of the three? There's 3 chocolate flavors in that recipe. Pressure-cooked chickpeas. Pretty good recipe. Same ratio, chickpeas to liquid as a can replacement. Babaga hummus. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a quickie.
I wonder what everyone's going to pick. I wonder what the favorite's going to be for this year.
I don't know. What about sugar-free stovetop granola? Vanilla's my favorite flavor of that one. I love that. Crunchy granola without any sugar or oil. Egg roll bowl. That was our shortcut to the egg roll from last year. The egg roll was the number 1 recipe of 2019. So I had to make a remake of that and make it a quickie one. Banana bread under pressure with a peel. Oh my gosh, we're having that tonight, Jerry.
Mm-hmm.
Smokehouse potato salad. Oh, that was a favorite over the summer. Corn tortillas. Revolutionary recipe. That recipe is foolproof.
J&J Tortilla Factory.
That's right. Mom and Me Tortilla Factory.
That's right.
Everyone loved that recipe that tried it. Success all around. Thin Mint Ice Cream.
That's one of my favorite ice creams right there.
Girl Scouts. We got it going on. Grilled green onion dip. Oh my gosh, that's a great remake of the French onion dip with even more protection and flavor. Green bean scramble. Oh my gosh, yes, with the corn tortillas. I don't know which one's better. Together, they're better. They both get a vote from me. Sugar-free Cocoa Puffs. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
I love them. Can't keep a jar around in my house. Dragon Munch. Super spicy and crunchy. Oh, sugar-free kettle corn. I love you.
So amazing.
Sugar-free fruit jam. That one came out for the fat-free Fruit Newtons. Oh my gosh, that recipe. I am just so amazed with how we're eating on a protective diet. It is revolutionary. This is the real food revolution.
So wait, you can eat all this food and lose weight?
Yes.
Of course.
Look at us. Oh, the Butterfinger nice cream.
Oh my gosh, so many to choose from. I can't wait to find out.
That was a huge hit. Peanut butter, nut-free, Butterfinger nice cream. This is PD magic. Fermented cherry tomatoes. I still have those in my refrigerator from the summer.
They taste like olives.
They taste like olives. The green tomatoes. No-bake bacon bits. Huge hit. We had salads going in everyone's workplace for wellness with those bacon bits. Buttermilk dressing. Oh my gosh. I could dip everything in it, pour it on everything. The BLT wedge salad brought together the buttermilk dressing and the no-bake bacon bits. Oh yes. And it ate like a meal with a fork and knife. Dry steamed kale. Awesome recipe. Nothing's lost. No nutrition lost in that recipe. That one is a favorite of mine. Stovetop red lentil chili. How many times a week do we have that?
At least 3. It is so good.
Apple pie filling. We put it on everything. It made our yogi bowls ultimate. Mexican sweet corn cakes. Oh my gosh. We love them. Chili salad. Oh yeah, that's a layer of a bunch of different recipes showing you how I eat my chili. 50-50 bowls. Thanksgiving rice pilaf. Oh my gosh, that made my Thanksgiving feast amazing. Cinnamon toast crunchies. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Cold milk required.
Cold milk required. Instant Pot steam reheat technique. That isn't a recipe, but man, it sure makes my leftovers warm up perfectly. No dried out rice in my workplace for wellness. Savory apples. If you haven't made this one yet, I don't know what's better. They're so zingy with that apple butter coating. Oh my gosh, delicious. Apples and onions together, nothing better. Plant-based stroganoff. Oh, that's better. That's been a huge hit. That one's just been out a few weeks.
I think that one's probably going to take the cake. That one's going to win.
It just might win. We'll see. Sugar-free royal icing made cookie decorating this holiday season so much fun.
Biscotti decorating.
Oh yeah, biscottis.
Oh,
and then we have the sugar-free gingerbread cookies that got it all started. We got our cookie cutters out for the first time on a protective diet. Roasted eggplant, the mushroom alternative. We can add this to so many recipes and just meat them up without any meat. Vote for your favorites, and I'll share them in Protective Diet Education this week.
Take care. Best of health.
Bye-bye.